As in kaibigan, kasama, kakampi, karamay, katulong, kasangga, kapamilya o kapuso, si Honorable Satur Ocampo. And now, please accept this simple talkings. This is there is a symbol of sorts, a Maranao symbol for the royalties of Lanao. So the Moro United Student and Leaders for Islamic Movement, Islamic City of Marawi, Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, presents this certificate of appreciation or plaque of appreciation to Congressman Satur Ocampo in grateful acknowledgement of these invaluable services rendered for gracing the launching of this Moro United Student and Leaders for Islamic Movement, Muslim, as a guest of honor, given this 15th day of February 2010 at Noramis Functional Islamic City of Marawi, signed by your truly the advisor of the Muslim group, Dr. Sofia Ponchari.
I'd like to thank a great leader who will soon become a senator of the Philippines, in the person of Senator Brother Satur Ocampo. Because we have to pass a bill into law, a bill that will define the future of the Maranao nation, the great people of the League and the next generation. I am referring to the wealth of Lake Lanao. I was telling the Organization of Islamic Conference during that meeting in Sana, Republic of Yemen, in May of 2005, I was telling the foreign minister that from 2000 to 2003, over 43,000 of Maranao got sick after drinking contaminated waters of Lake Lanao due to pollution, widespread diseases as a result of the operation and activities of the 6 hydroelectric power plant in Lake Lanao. Now we have to fight for our rights. We have to fight for our wealth. For only then the Maranao can lead a better and prosperous life. So yun matao, nagyang kaya Maranao niyo, nadat na unay niya, malatamok sa isang naiya Pilipinas sa inintay kong Ranao. Ayahip masiwala, kinibatog yan sa Ranao, kinilumbani ang kurana Ranao niyo, nanyo kang gunay, kaad mga piyaso kapagintaw niyo.